For my next number, I'm really proud of this next song, you know, because I've done so many shows, and it just seems impossible not to do this song. You know what I'm saying, kids? Sometimes you come across a song that's so special to you that you just gotta do it. Excuse me. Excuse me. Hey, Martin, there's no room for two guapo guys. You're singing again? Pare, this is my part. This is my moment. Teka, I have one more song and look at my contract. Marunong din ako kumanta. I know, but... Can't you wait until your turn? This is my moment. That was a nice spiel about my song. So special to me. It's a big number. It's... Wait and hear my voice. Alright, alam nyo, with Richard Gomez, we don't have to hear his voice. Look at his face. Diba? I've never had that problem. That's why I sing, you see. Richard, Martin, pag kumanta ako, paano na yung career mo? Yun na nga eh. Meron pang Gary Valenciano, meron pang Ariel Rivera. Kaya nag-artista lang ako eh. Ah, ganun ba? Yeah. That's why I sing. Kasi kung mag-action star ako, yung mga... Paano ka, pare? Diba? Do you still have a number? Oh, why don't we do it together? Me sing with you? No. Me sing with you. Okay. I'll sing with you. And then I'll sing with you. Okay. Let's see if you know this song. Sing with me. Follow me now. I'll try. Here we go. Hoping that tomorrow will be me and you, sharing dreams with each other, making them come true, holding one another, saying all I need is you. But will you let me show me that you care? Say when I need you, you'll always be there. But if you don't need me, it's not fair. I love me with you. With just one wish that's me, to hold me in the dark and help me make it through. Let the pain that's inside me simply melt away. If I had you here with me and promise me you'd stay, but will you say that you love me? Show me that you care. When I need you, you'll always be there. With you. Richard Gomez has a new future. I know he's been singing abroad, but now it's time to see on concert ni Richard Gomez.
Yeah. And speaking of concert,
kiss daw.
mamaya na yung kiss na yan.
How would you like to hear Richard by himself this time? Because I know he's got a special song for all of us on this special day, on your special day, a day you will never forget. Another round of applause for everybody on this stage for working so hard for you. Not just tonight, but every week. Please welcome the pride of ABS-CBN, Richard Gomez.
Thank you, Martin. Wala na yung career niya. Tapos na.
Hahanapin ko ang awit na tinig mo pag nalayo sa'yo. Hahanapin ko ang halakat mo kahit na kung saan ako. Hahanapin ko umaga, tanghali, gabi, dahil hindi kita lilimutin kahit na sandali. Hahanapin ko ang sikat ng araw pag nalayo sa'yo. Hahanapin ko dagat mo at buwan, ang tagaraw at tagulan. Hahanapin ko tuwing na at kung hindi makita, aanhin ko pa ang gawang iwanan siya. Sa aking paglayo, dadalhin sa aking paglipad, papaunin init ng iyong araw, sinagilaw at maningin sa aking paglayo, dadalhin na ang hinahanap-hanap ka pa. Kung iiwan kita, hanapin lang kita, aanhin pa ang maglakbay iba. Enjoy na enjoy ako. Hahanapin ko ang awit at tinig mo pag nalayo sa'yo. Hahanapin ko ang halakat mo kahit na kung saan ako. Hahanapin ko Rina at kung hindi makita, aanhin ko pa ang gawang iwanan ka.